Hey guys, I am Ashika and I am a CBSE 10th grader. This is not just going to be a study vlog. I will be telling you all how I'm planning to complete my syllabus like around September, and I will also be giving you all a syllabus update. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end, and I'm sure that by the end of this video you will feel very motivated. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoy it. Also guys, follow me on Instagram. I'll put up my ID right over there. I upload exclusive content on Instagram and I also post my thumbnails on Instagram before I actually upload the videos on YouTube. So without wasting any more time, let us get right into today's video. So first of all, I was writing all of my syllabus on this Notion spreadsheet so that I have all of it organized in one place and so that I can also check it off when I complete it. And it also helps me get a clearer idea of how much syllabus is left and how much I still have yet to do. So this is my syllabus update. Basically, I have written my entire syllabus on a Notion spreadsheet so that I know कितना syllabus complete हुआ है. And also it is very satisfying to check the things off my to-do lists. I mean, this is really a master to-do list because it is everything that I need to get done this year. And I think that the progress is pretty good. Mainly, I have to complete math, science, and SST before like September. So that is my target right now. And English, Hindi, AI, I think will just happen side by side on its own. And even in math, science, SST, my main priority would be maths and science. So yeah, you can see this is my syllabus. This is how much I have completed till now. In maths, I have done real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equation in one variable, quadratic equations, arithmetic progression, triangles, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, and applications of trigonometry. एंड बाकी के चैप्टर्स अभी मेरे हुए नहीं हैं. आई थिंक स्टैट्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी जल्दी हो जाएगा एंड दीज आर प्रिटी बिग चैप्टर्स एंड आई ऑल्सो नीड अ लॉट ऑफ रिविजन फॉर ट्रिगो एज वेल. सो आई नीड टू डू दैट. एंड ये ऊपर वाले सारे चैप्टर्स मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से हो गए हैं. एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एंड एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के मैंने एनसीईआरटी अच्छे से कर लिया है, बट आई नीड टू रिवाइज अ लॉट मोर. एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के लिए आई हैव प्रैक्टिस अ फ्यू रेफरेंस बुक्स, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट इज सफिशिएंट क्योंकि एनसीईआरटी मुझसे अभी भी अच्छे से नहीं हो रही है. Even though I've done it, I don't have confidence. So we're going to practice that again. Then science mein you can see all the chapters that I have completed, and all of these chapters I've completed अच्छे से, except like metals and non-metals revision करना है and control and coordination revise करना है. Rest all I know अच्छे से, I think so. And then coming to SST. सो आई हैव कंप्लीटेड सरप्राइजिंगली बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स इन SST एंड मैंने अपने स्कूल से कुछ भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं किया SST में. लाइक हमारे स्कूल में भी इतने ही चैप्टर्स हुए हैं अभी तक एंड आई एम नॉट रियली प्लानिंग टू डू एनीथिंग एडिशनल इन SST, बट वी विल ट्राई टू डू स्टफ इन SST अपने आप से. लाइक अगर कोई डिफिकल्ट चैप्टर होगा तो उसको पहले से करना इज़ बेटर. And Baki Hindi, English, I don't really want to get into because that is not my primary focus right now. I think I have made decent progress in Hindi and English. And if I just go with my school, I think I will be able to manage my syllabus for Hindi and English till October, which I think is good enough. So now I'm done with writing down my syllabus somewhere, and that is also the first thing which you should do if you're trying to like get an idea of how much syllabus you have left, and if you like to plan further how would you like to complete it, then just write it down somewhere. If you do not want to make like a Notion spreadsheet like I did, you can just write it down on a piece of paper, and that is equally good. So that is the first step. Now the next thing which we're going to do is we're going to make a little plan of how we're going to complete our syllabus in my register. So you can just make it wherever you feel convenient. अगर तुम्हें digitally बनाना है तो तुम digitally भी बना सकते हो, and अगर तुम्हें pen और paper पे बनाना है then you can do that as well. So let me show you how you can make that plan. So this is my diary, and in this I would like to make the plan. So over here we would plan it out. You need to have your syllabus in front of you, which I have on my computer, and I'm just going to make a plan for maths and science, and I'll fit the other subjects like in it accordingly. So we are going to make the plan week wise instead of day wise because I feel like that is much more convenient. So let us start with week 1. So today is 25th of July. So today, like, let's just write this. Today is 25th of July, and I would like to complete my syllabus till, let's say, 31st of August. Right. So I would like to complete my syllabus till 21st, 31st of August, which is approximately 35-ish days. So we have a good 35 days with us to complete the syllabus, and not a lot is left for me. So in week one, I would just write down the subjects that I would like to revise and do. So for example, for week one, I'm writing trigonometry and applications of trigonometry. So this is all we will be revising in week one. For maths, we will write some chapters for science also. So these are the chapters that I've already ticked off, but I would like to like polish them. So मैं metals and non-metals करने वाली हूँ. And I will be doing control and coordination, and along with that also electricity. So I have and I've written like ज़्यादा chapters क्योंकि मैं ये chapters already कर चुकी हूँ. I just need to revise them once again ताकि वो एक बार अच्छे से हो जाए. Now let us move on to the second week, and जैसे हमने first week के लिए chapters लिखे हैं वैसे ही हमें second week के लिए भी लिखने हैं, and we need to write chapters for जितने भी weeks हैं हमारे targeted date तक and from now. So let me just do that and get back to you. I am done preparing my little weekly plan. It does not have to be pretty. If you want to, you can make it pretty, but I think mine is very messy, which is fine. So now we have divided our very big task, which was to complete our syllabus till 31st August. This was the task. And right here, we had the syllabus. So we could have just left this like as it is and just decided to complete it randomly. But now I have just assigned all the chapters to particular weeks. First week is basically a revision of the chapters that I have done from the NCRT, but I'm not fully confident with. So this is the revision for the first week. Then we're going to be starting the new chapters, and I have given chapters according to like circles है तो circles के साथ areas related to circles भी कर लेंगे because there are similar chapters. And electricity के बाद it only makes sense to do magnetic effect of current, and I'm doing environment because it will also come in my midterm exam. So after this जो भी topics है मेरे midterm exam में नहीं आने वाले हैं, but these are the only chapters left, so I have just put them together. मैंने surface area in volume को 1 week पूरा full दिया है because this is my weak point, and I know that because मेरे को इस chapter में पहले भी difficulty आई थी. So ये चीज़ें तुम्हें consider करनी पड़ेगी when you are making your planner. And statistics and probability I have put साथ में because they are very related to each other. ठीक है. एंड रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए भी पूरा 1 week चाहिए बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ थ्योरी पार्ट इज इन दैट. एंड सेम फॉर हेरिडिटरी. It's a new chapter, so obviously you need a lot of time to do this. And then we're just going to revise the difficult topics in the next week so that all of this is done properly. सी अब तुमने ये तो लिख लिया है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अब ऑटोमेटिकली तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा एंड यू विल श्योरली कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस बाय 31st अगस्त. सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं होने वाला है इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक एक्शन. एंड अगर तुम्हारा सिलेबस 31st अगस्त तक कंप्लीट नहीं होता, इट्स नॉट दैट बिग ऑफ अ डील. आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू कंप्लीट माई सिलेबस अर्ली पर्सनली बिकॉज दैट इज how I like to manage my stress. And see, now that you've divided your task into weeks, when you're making your to-do list every single day, just look at this little planner and write down your to-do list accordingly, and you can write down the subjects in your to-do list accordingly. So yes. Anyways, so basically now हमारा week 1 चल रहा है of completing our syllabus. So I'm going to make a to-do list for today based on everything that I have written for my week 1 planner, and then I will show you. Also in this like planner, I've only included maths and science filhal because that's my goal, to complete maths and science for syllabus by August 31st. You can like make changes to your planner according to whatever your goal is. So yes, now let us write down our to-do list. After I was done with that, I started studying. I decided to do maths sabse pehle because this is my favorite subject. I was also watching Friends while I was solving the questions, and I was doing exercise 8.3, which is the most difficult exercise of NCRT in my opinion. I honestly find these questions more difficult than the questions which are solved from reference books, and it is actually quite challenging to do. But once you know how to do each and every question, it is very simple. We did half of it in class today, so उतना मुझसे बहुत easily घर पे भी हो गया था. बट उसके बाद वाला जो questions क्लास में हमने नहीं समझे थे वो questions करने में को थोड़ी सी difficulty आ रही थी. बट दैट लाइक टोल्ड मी कि जब क्लास में questions करवाएंगे तब मुझे समझ आ जाएगा होपफुली. एंड लाइक आई डिड सम questions 2 times because like वो एक बार में हुए नहीं. बट eventually I think I got the hang of how to do them. There is like a certain trick to each question, and like maths में तुम्हें ये चीज़ तभी पता चल सकती है जब तुम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस करोगे. And if you're in class 10, I recommend you practice trigonometry a lot because any kind of question can come. So I suggest तुम्हें हर type का question solve करना आना चाहिए if you want to score really good marks in maths. So yeah, I was just solving all of the questions. Also, guys, if you're not that good in maths and you would like to improve, then you can build the habit of doing maths every day by starting with 5 questions every day, then doing 10, and then doing 20, and so on. And like that, you will be able to practice a lot of questions without actually getting burnt out by the subject if you don't enjoy it. For me, I like it, so I can just do as many questions as I want. Then, once I was done, I checked it off my to do list. एंड उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ी देर का ब्रेक लिया, एंड बाय थोड़ी देर आई मीन 10 मिनट का ब्रेक. आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट बैक टू स्टडिंग एंड नाउ आई वॉज डूइंग सोशल साइंस. एंड सी, आई वॉज नॉट रियली स्टडिंग, आई वॉज जस्ट डूइंग माई होमवर्क, बट मैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स मतलब जितना मेरे को खुद से हो सकता था मैं उतना खुद से लिखने की ट्राई कर रही थी. सो बेसिकली मेरा नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया का रिविजन हो रहा था. एंड जो क्वेश्चन मेरे खुद से मुझसे नहीं समझ आए वो मैंने एक बार गूगल पे सर्च करके देख लिए थे, ताकि मैं गलत आंसर ना लिख दूँ. बिकॉज आई मीन खुद से करना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं गलत आंसर लिख दूँ. सो या आई वॉज जस्ट सॉल्विंग दैट, एंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे हमारे होमवर्क में. सो दैट टुक मी अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम टू कंप्लीट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई नीडेड टू राइट नीटली, एंड मैं मतलब गंदी हैंड राइटिंग में भी नहीं लिख सकती हूँ. एंड आफ्टर राइटिंग मेरे हैंड्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा पेन करने लग गए थे, बट लाइक आई हैड टू राइट इट. एंड आई ऑल्सो रेफर दीज क्वेश्चन व्हेन आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग फॉर माई एग्जाम, बिकॉज जनरली ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन हमारे एग्जाम में आ जाते हैं वर्डिंग चेंज होके. सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू राइट बैड आंसर्स, इसलिए आई वॉज जस्ट राइटिंग लाइक आंसर इन पॉइंटर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, ताकि मेरे को बाद में हेल्प हो व्हेन आई नीड टू लुक बैक एट इट. अगर मेरे को मतलब वापस कभी इसको पढ़ना नहीं हो तो मैं बिल्कुल पैराग्राफ में लिख दूंगी, मतलब मुझे फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा. बट आई नीड टू लुक बैक एट इट अगेन, दैट इज़ व्हाई आई वाज राइटिंग इट नीटली. I have finally completed all the questions in one go. My hand hurts so much now because we had to write a lot for this. As you can see, I have written a lot. Anyways, I'm glad that it's over. As I was done, I just checked it off my to do list. उसके बाद मैं नीचे वॉक करने चली गई थी क्योंकि मतलब आई वॉज़ वेरी टायर्ड फ्रॉम स्टडिंग. मतलब आई स्टडीड फॉर एटलीस्ट 3.5 hours ऊपर कंटिन्यूसली. So I just came niche and the weather was also very nice. It was very, very refreshing. Also, guys, when I came back, I just slept, so I don't really have any other footage to add. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I really hope that it helped you out. And I expect you all to complete all the steps that I mentioned in the beginning of the video so that you can finish your syllabus at the earliest. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also like this video because it motivates me to make more such helpful videos for you all. And also follow me on Instagram. मैं वापस अपनी ID स्क्रीन पर डाल देती हूँ. I really put exclusive content on Instagram and I also upload my thumbnails over there before I put them on YouTube. So if you'd like to be interested in that, then make sure to follow me there. That's all for today. Bye bye.